team members are associated with specific workspaces. For each workspace, you get a group of team members, and you can add team members, and we'll look at that very shortly. To understand exactly how it works, I've created two workspaces. Here I have workspace 1 and workspace 2. If I go into workspace 1, you will see that I have in total 7 projects here. 4 websites, 2 stories, and 1 pop-up. The only person who can access this workspace and work on these projects is me. I am the owner of this account. If I go into the team members area, you will see that the owner of the account by default is a team member to every workspace. This cannot be changed, and this is the status quo whenever you create a new workspace. If in the event you want to add other people who can also access this workspace, you're going to do it here by inviting team members, add the email address, and then assign a role. We'll look shortly at what roles are. Let's close out and go to workspace 2, where I have 2 projects, which are 2 websites. In this case, it could be for a client, and because I want more people to have access to it, maybe to view what I'm doing or to give feedback or to update blogs, I have added more people to the team. Under my team members area, you will see that I have 3 members to the team. As highlighted, the owner by default is there, cannot be changed. And then I have 2 more team members. One has an editor role and the other a manager role. Now the roles are assigned the moment you send out an invite, and you can see we have 4 roles to choose from: viewer, editor, designer, and manager. Let's have a look at what these roles mean. To understand the function, hover over the status of every team member. At the very top, it starts with manager. The manager has full access and full ability to make changes within a workspace. Remember, you as the owner have the account. You can work across all workspaces, but a manager can only work in the specific workspace it has been assigned to. In this case, workspace 2. The manager can do everything here: create new projects, delete them, assign team members, work on pages, publish pages, the works. From here is a designer. Now the designer has full access to projects in the sense that it can create projects, it can work on projects, it can set up SEO, it can create new pages, publish it. The only thing that the designer cannot do is to manage the dashboard area of the workspace. Up next is an editor. The editor has access to the builder, so it can create content, but it doesn't have access to the content management system dashboard within a project. And finally, you have a viewer. Basically, all a viewer can do is to view the page. This is very useful where you are working with a client and you want some feedback from them on a page that you've not yet published, and you want them to have a look what's happening behind the scenes. And that's when you assign a viewer. Note that I've easily changed the role of a team member by selecting it here from the drop-down box. If you want to remove any of the team members, simply select the delete option here on the right.